Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Ayah Hairi and Professor Andri. My name is Fazeerul bin M.Suofian and today I want to presenting my final year project poster. The title of my project is Development of Building Maintenance E-Report System using Building Information Modeling. My supervisor is T.S. Muhammad Sofian bin Abdullah and my co-SB is Puan Jalana binti Muhammad. Let's start with abstract. This study was focused on to produce the building maintenance e-report system using building information modeling by M tools. In this study, the 3D model of one block of Mutation Pago staff block will be viewed using Autodesk 360 Viewer. The experimental study is designed to evaluate the effectiveness of the building maintenance e-report system. Next, the project is carried out by creating the database using Glide and creating the 3D BIM model using Revit software. A web base is built for simulation of the system and 3D model. Last but not least, all the objectives are achieved after a simulation be made to show how to operate the Citation Pago e-maintenance report system. The data of our report and login are directly recorded to the database. Next, we continue with introduction. BIM is a smart model-based process providing insight into the quicker, more economic, and less environmental impact of building and infrastructure projects. A BIM provides all building information including the physical and functional characteristics of the building and the information of the project lifecycle. In view of the early planning stage of facility management, maintenance effort during the operating period of plant will theoretically be minimized. Yearly use of FM was recommended to help mitigate the need of significant reparation and alternation that would otherwise arise during the operation. Centered on the system, it discusses how FM, for example, space preparation and energy analysis, can be beneficially sponsored by the BIM. We go to literature review. BIM is a dynamic multi-phase process that collects team members' input to model elements and resources used to create a specific view on the construction process. Revit is a single archive of files that many people are allowed to share. The plans, parts, heights, legends, and schedules are all interconnected, with the other views change immediately in the event that a user switches one view. Revit plans and preparation are also often completely coordinated for the structural object shown in the drawing. Autodesk Viewer is one of these project's BIM functions. Most 2D and 3D formats including DWG, MOV, RVT, SolidWorks are supported. So now for the methodology part. First, we start with creating a 3D model using Revit software. Next, we create a database for the system using Glide. After that, we build a web-based app for the maintenance report. Then we get the detail on the maintenance. Lastly, we update the status of the maintenance. Finish. So as you can see here is the QR code for the application, and beside it is the interface of the application, and at the bottom is the database that are collected if user login or making a report for the maintenance. Okay, now we show the simulation on how to use these apps. Okay, now as you can see, this is my poster. So I'm gonna scan this QR code. So if you are first user, you have to go to the Chrome first. Okay, after that, you will see this interface. You have to put your email address here. Continue. So after that, you will receive a code in your email. Okay, the code is 77313. Okay, this is the interface. As you can see, there are two tab down here, room and status. So here you can search the room that you want to report. On the menu bar, you can see that there are floor, report, about. So at the floor you can see here are 4 floor. So if you want to search for first floor, here is the room list, or you can just search it here. For example 105. So you can report issue, so you can take a picture and write a problem there. Aircon malfunctioning. So wait for the upload. Okay, after that we mark. So you can see it says send there. So at the status you can look. So this icon, okay, mark as resolved. So if the management has settled the issue, this has to be marked. So as you can see here, this is the data that we get from the website, the database. So each room has its number. From here we can see the room and floor. We can add floor that we wanted. So after the report has been received, we can check at the status. So the worker can know where is the room and what is the problem. Okay, after they finish the problem, they may tick at this status part, so it is marked as resolved. Okay, that's all. Okay, so for the after that, here is the model of the building. You can use the first person mode so that get a closer look to the room. But at this model, I cannot put a room because my laptop cannot support the Revit. So if I put a recommendation that if someone can make a room, it will be a lot easier for the management to look for the room. Okay, by looking at this model, they will know the exact position of the room easily. So the discussion. At the end of the project, the occupant can report any breakdown appliances in the Yutation Pago A1 building by using the building maintenance e-report system completed with the reporter's name, dates, room, the appliances problem, and pictures. The reporter can check the status of the report after the sending report is linked. The top management then view the one block Yutation Pago A1 building by using a 360 LTS viewer and manage the technical team. And lastly, the conclusion. Based on this project, the occupant can report any breakdown appliances in the block by using the Yutation Pago e-maintenance report system completed with the reporter's name, dates, room, and appliances problem and picture, and they can check the report status. They will update the status of the report in the web base. This will save the time and provide improvement in the maintenance service. It also friendly users as it is paperless. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for listening.